How fast is Xiaomi's 30-watt fast charging? Even faster than many wired fast charging. Here's how we did it. Consider that the cup is the battery and the bottle is the charger. Let's say the buffer plate of the cup represents charge pump number 1. The water pump of the bottle represents charge pump number 2. After the water pump pressurizes the bottle, the water is sprayed towards the cup. The buffer plate then depressurizes the water and it flows easily into the cup. This represents the charging process. If the water pressure is insufficient, a lot of water is usually lost during transmission. If we translate this to the charging process, this means a lot of energy will be lost. So you can see the charge pump is an important component when it comes to controlling voltage. Compared with the average smartphone, our Mi 10 series has 2 customized charge pumps. The voltage is much larger than usual. This means that during the transmission process, less current is lost, total power is greater, enabling a faster charging speed. What's the benefit of faster wireless charging? A much better user experience. At the office, out with friends, your everyday life just got a lot easier and faster. Enjoy the new era of wireless fast charging with our Mi 10 series.